As you might have noticed, EHEDG has restarted its wildly popular EHEDG Connects online webinar series, and the presenter of the upcoming webinar is EHEDG authorized trainer Alex Maroto. He has been active in the food industry since 1996, and he is an expert in CIP, cleaning and sanitation, SSOPs, microbiological troubleshooting, and also water distribution systems. And this last topic is also the topic of his webinar. Alex, thank you for doing this. That looks like a sunny environment there. Where are you located?
I'm based in Costa Rica. I'm Costa Rican.
What is your academic and professional background?
My academic background is related to chemical engineering, and I have a master's degree in business too. And during these 25 years, I have been exposed to troubleshooting in the food manufacturing plant. So that's why hygienic design became as a very well recognized tool for accessing our challenges when we have micro issues at our customers and systems.
Your webinar is about applying hygienic design to water distribution systems. Why did you choose for this topic specifically?
Well, I have a very important case related to one of the major raw material that any food plant has, that is water. So taking care about water is one of the, I would say, key raw materials that hygienic design can give you a very good payback of taking care of it since the beginning.
We always ask the webinar presenters to come up with a real industry case that they have encountered. You have one as well. What is it about?
I have, I will say, a real case. I have a real diagram of what I found when we were asked to help the plant troubleshoot the system, and then all the findings, and then what our proposal was. Precisely using the guide number 8 from EHEDG, that it has the principles of this. So applying those principles to the system to make it more robust. So that's a real case and a real proposal to be considered for any food plant.
What do you consider to be one of the most important aspects of applying hygienic design to water distribution systems that you will address in your webinar?
One maybe a more basic principle that is not usually there is drainability. Usually there is so many stagnant things, water in the systems, and that's where biofilm builds up and starts all the mess.
Yes, and we don't want the mess. The EHEDG Connects webinar attendees always get the opportunity to pose questions in this webinar, also in yours. What kind of questions do you usually get from your clients in your consultancy practice?
They are usually concerned about, well, what do we do if we already have a system that is not having that guideline apply?
What kind of questions do you get from your trainees who want to set up an entirely new process line or even a new site?
The challenge sometimes is to let the contractor and the commissioning know that they have to consider hygienic design on this. So usually how to manage that, handle that, are typical questions of the owners, decision makers related to a new plan or an existing plan that have this gap.
EHEDG authorized trainer Alex Maroto, live from Costa Rica. Thank you very much for this interview. We are looking forward to attending your webinar.
You're welcome. Thanks so much.